One technique with many benefits. Who would not want to practice a technique that will decrease stress and performance anxiety, helps heal faster after an injury, enhance motivation, improve abilities, boost confidence, and have many more benefits? A technique that Olympians and elite athletes use and have immensely benefited from it. Hi, I'm Madhuli, and we will talk about this powerful technique, visualization or mental imagery. Visualization is the technique of using your imagination to create what you want in your life. Here you must understand three things. The mind is not just wandering in past or future, but you are exercising your choice of focus to allow the mind to live the time and space frame of the present. 2. Visualization is not daydreaming because daydreaming is random. Images come and go as they please, often without any connection. Visualization, however, is not random. Images will still come and go, but they are not unexpected. They have a purpose or underlying goal. Do not get stuck with the term visualize. That's 3. Some people say that they see, feel clear images when they close their eyes. Others say they don't see or feel anything or they sort of think about it. All is okay. Every person is different. Whatever you are doing, keep doing it. Guide yourself through the process because we all use our imaginations constantly. So do not try too hard to see the images. Today, I will explain the steps of one of the powerful visualization exercises, Circle of Excellence. For that, sit comfortably with your eyes closed and focus on your breathing. Imagine the nerve center on top of your head is sending messages of total relaxation. Feel the tension and stress disappearing from your body. It would be best if you are completely relaxed before you move to the next step. Mentally draw a circle in front of you. Place all the qualities or strength you will need to excel in the match or tournament you are training. Mentally step inside the circle, visualize all the qualities coming into your system and are becoming a part of your personality. Now visualize yourself in the match or tournament you are practicing for. See yourself giving your best performance. Visualize the start of the game, some part in the middle, and the end of the game in as much detail as you can. See yourself performing with confidence, focus on the technique, and playing fearlessly in perfect poise. Visualize a good finish of the match. Feel the joy of excellence and see the response of all significant others. Then stay there in the arena for some time. Let the feeling of joy, satisfaction sink into your system completely. Once you are done, focus on your breathing again and slowly open your eyes. To see the effect of this exercise, you have to use it often. Practice it at least daily, more is better. I suggest that you practice it for at least 15 minutes each morning when you wake up or evening before you sleep. Try different situations against different opponents, playing under different circumstances till you feel completely prepared. So keep practicing Circle of Excellence and watching our videos to learn more and grow more. Subscribe to our channel, like and share the video. For questions and doubts and suggestions, write in the comment section. See you next week. Till then, love your game and enjoy your game. Thank you.